Hello guys, so today we are gonna learn how to share our Android screen to our PC. Basically for this we need our smartphone, a USB cable, a software in our PC called scrcpy, and also we need to enable our developer option in our mobile. That's it we need for this. Let's move to next how to do this. For this, we have to open our mobile phone and move to our settings. Now here we open our settings. Next, we move to the about section where we will find our version, and where version number we see, we have to press 7 clicks to turn on our developer option. So here we are clicking about 7 times and it will turn on our developer option. Next, we will move to the developer section. So here is our developer option. You can also find via searching on the search bar. Next, we will go to the USB debugging and turn on it. My USB debugging is already turned on. You have to just turn on the USB debugging. Next, our smartphone via USB. That's it you need on this smartphone. Next, we will move to our browser. I am using Chrome browser. Just you have to write there scrcpy and hit enter. Whatever website you see first, you have to click over that. Now, now we have to move down or scroll down, and wherever you see the get the app option, there are three options for Linux, Windows, and macOS. We are going to use the Windows because we have Windows. So after clicking that button, you will see there are two options. First for 64-bit operating system, and the another one is for 32-bit operating system. You have to choose as of your operating system. My is 64-bit, so I will go with 64-bit. Now, whenever you will hit the mouse click, you will see download option. The software is going to be downloaded on your file system. Next, you have to open on the file system. You will see a zip file over there. Just you have to unzip the file to do the next thing. So uh, after unzipping the file, you will see application scrcpy. The name is written as scrcpy, and the file folder is known as application. That is written as application. Just you have to double click that and a terminal will open, and then your screen will be visible to the PC. That's it you have to do. Also, you can wirelessly share your screen via this software, but that is bit complex. Have this much only via USB, and sometimes the wireless connection is bit setup complex and also not working on every smartphone.